I'm Numa Thebe representing Valley Public High School and speaking on the topic street harassment. Street harassment is a form of harassment, primarily sexual harassment, which consists of unwanted flirtatious comments, provocative gestures, honking, wolf whistling, indecent exposures, stalking, persistent sexual advances, and touching by strangers in public places such as streets, shopping malls, and public transportation. In some way, form, or shape, we have all experienced violence. It is because violence is a large aspect of our society. In today's world, a certain form of violence affects women on a daily basis, and one of them is street harassment. Street harassment is when a woman in most cases are catcalled, violated with obscene comments, requested for their numbers, or treated with disrespect based on their outward appearance. Worldwide statistics shows that 80% of women endure at least frequent street harassment. 45% feel that they cannot go alone to public spaces. 50% have to cross street to find alternate routes to their destination. 26% claim that they are in a relationship in order to avoid harassment. 80% feel the need to be constantly alert while traversing local streets, and 19% have had to switch careers in order to escape the area where harassment occurred. Physical responses, physical safety, emotional reactions, and psychological symptoms are the effects of street harassment. Physical effects can also be discussed in terms of physical safety of a woman. Recipients of harassment describe physical symptoms as muscle tension, having trouble breathing, nausea, and dizziness. This problem is not only transnational but also transcultural and affects people of all identities, races, and ages every day. Especially, it's not new for many of the girls over here too, because I'm sure that they have also been the victim of some kind of street harassment. Some may have been catcalled, asked for their numbers, or may have faced unusual or inconvenient situation. As women endure this revolting behavior day to day, we all can at least address that this is a serious concern which needs to be handled with special care. I really want to marry the guy who yelled at me from his car, said no women ever. So action against street harassment needs to be given priority, and we all should come together to fight against it. Let's be the change. Thank you.